Hello everyone, welcome to Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty levels for Tuesday, 15th November. This is the daily chart of Banknifty that I've opened. Nothing so significant on the daily chart. We had a bearish view even for Friday, especially after getting this big gap up right in my last video, and we are tracking kind of this trend line, and we went above it and we have still today closed below it. That doesn't signify that the market is bearish. We're going to see other data, but some selling pressure at the all-time high levels. But trading today was a pretty flat day. This is the 15-minute chart, though there was some pretty good moves, that is especially when we were taking support at this level at about 42,000, and when kind of this trend line broke, this was a good entry with the first target as it's pretty clear, right? We are within this level. So now coming to our trade possibilities for tomorrow. Now we might be getting a pretty flat gap up or a gap down, like a pretty flat opening, because the US markets are kind of flat. They were down about 100, 200, about 70, 80 points all through the afternoon. Now some recovery is shown. So we'll see how the US market closes today. And then depending on whether we get a gap up or a gap down. See, this yellow line is the all-time high in Banknifty. And I don't mind still shorting Banknifty as long as this high is not taken out. That is the all-time high and this evening star. There was a beautiful evening star on Friday, and then the market didn't make a new high. This three candles, kind of this evening star at an all-time high on 15-minute chart. So with this as my stop loss for the short trade, obviously if we short at a lower level, definitely the stop loss will change. But if we get a nice bullish candle closing above this, right, 42,340, only then I'll probably think of taking a bullish trade. Until then, I'll try to look for some short trades. See, 42,000 is a very good support. Now any trade further, a good down move can be at about 42,000. If this level breaks, maybe the next target will come around 41,700. This 300 points down move is possible, this gap fill. And any trade on the upper side, if this resistance line breaks, right, probably this is a very small target, about 150 points, probably a quick scalp until here is possible. But if this level breaks, then we have to make use of the CPR, since we are already at the all-time high. We have our R1, R2 and R3. That's R3 is coming in at 42,485. So these are the levels that I'll be using. And now where all I'll look to short and where all my plan is to go long, we'll just check the OI data also for that. That is, so if you check the open interest, right, there is support at 42,000, no doubt about it. But on the upper side, there is some resistance at 42,200 and 42,300. If you see the change in OI, what happened today at about 42,100, a lot of call selling has come. Even at 42,200, 42,100, there is still some support. So our plan is, we'll be using even the CPR levels. Look for a short over here in case we get a nice rejection, that is around 42,200. That's even what the open interest is suggesting. And this can be a very good support, that is 41,970, around 42,000. If this level conveniently breaks, probably wait for a retest and then again short at 42,000 level with targets as 41,827 and 41,700. Even if we get a nice rejection, maybe we might form a double top here. So even if we get a nice rejection at this level, 41,340, in case we get a gap up and take rejection here, right, I don't mind shorting. But on a 15-minute candle, if we close here, probably I'll just let the day go. We'll see how bullish the price action is. If on a 5-minute or 15-minute, if nice bullish candles are coming, only then we'll try to go long at the all-time high. Because every time when the Bank Nifty comes closer to the all-time high, right, there's a chance of profit booking coming in. So these are the levels that I'll watch out for. I don't see, even if we get a dip, I don't see Bank Nifty falling below 41,700, and I don't see 42,340, this level breaking out very easily as of now. But we have our levels marked, and see today if we had this support zone marked, right, if we had the support zone this fall, easily we could have kind of exited our shorts or gone long once kind of this trend line broke and the strong green candle came. So these are the levels that I'll be using for. Let's just look at Nifty. So this is a 15-minute chart of Nifty. Though Nifty is not at the all-time high, I've just marked this recent high as at about 18,400 in yellow. Nifty can be bullish only if we start trading above 18,400. Until 18,400 does not break, Nifty can see some sort of a selling pressure, with first target as 18,300, 18,280, and this gap fill at 18,250. Even if this level breaks, then probably we can even see 18,175. Now, why there is some selling pressure in Nifty at this level is, even previously at about the same level we had a nice selling, that is around 18,400. If I go back and go to a daily chart, see, these are the levels where previously we got some aggressive selling, that is around 18,320 and 18,400, and obviously the all-time high level of 18,600. So unless we break 18,400, I wouldn't be bullish on Nifty. We'll try to take some short trades. So that's it for tomorrow in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and the market would be choppy like how it is today, but with the VIX falling, right, see, since the VIX has come to almost 15, that is 14.9, the premiums, the option premiums are pretty cheap. So when the option premiums are cheap and the VIX is low, we won't get much moves. That is, getting even say 100 points in intraday would be difficult. See, now today's move, even if we caught this up move until this, we would have just made about 100 points, right? So getting a 100-point move option premium would be a very good deal. So if somebody can enter like say one lot and they capture it, the premium moves up by 100 points, that would be a good place to exit. And tomorrow we also have a pretty narrow CPR indicating some trendy day for option buying. So let's see how it goes.